Good morning, everyone. Only we got only 7 students today. We got only 7 students today. Yesterday we are discussing about subtraction using vinculation and devinculation. So let's check yesterday's things again. 22. Yes. Yesterday we are discussing about subtraction using vinculation and devinculation. So devinculation, how to do devinculation, you have learned. And devinculation steps are subtracting all from 9, last from 10 as usually. This all from 9, last from 10 first step is same for vinculation and devinculation, or even subtraction using all from 9, last from 10. But second steps vary based on process. If it is devinculation and subtraction, you have to take predecessor. If it is vinculation only, you have to take successor. Remember that. Okay. Next, you have done few examples based on this concept, doing subtractions using devinculation. First you will get vinculated format answer. You have to devinculated that to get the actual answer. Few more examples. So there is a little concept about devinculation. So with that, this devinculation concept is over. Okay. One minute. So is my voice clear, everyone? Only 8 students today. Is this weekend effect or what? Okay. So okay, there is a little concept called bar breaks. 1 minute. Bar breaks due to 0. So these are the topics: bar breaks due to 0 and due to non-zero. Very simple topics in devinculation. See, when you are doing devinculation, if there is for example, in devinculation, for example, you might have bar breaks, for example 2 7 bar 3 bar 2 0 bar 2 again bar 3 2. So there is a number like this. If there is a number like this, To devinculate this, if you devinculate, you will get actual number. To devinculate this, but we have bar break here. We don't have bar on this 0. So bar breaks due to 0 and bar breaks due to non-zero. So here bar breaks to 0. You must have written in devinculation. Not required 1 minute. So here there is a break between these bars. So we have bar on, we don't have bar on last letter, ones place letter 2, and we have bar on from 3, bar 3, bar 2, 0, bar 2, bar 3, 2, 7, 2. So here bar breaks due to 0. Because of 0, we don't have bar on this. So in this case, we have to put bar on 0. You have to continue. Put bar on 0. Put bar on 0 and continue devinculation. Okay, you have to put bar on 0 and continue devinculation without any break. Okay, we have to continue all from 9, last from 10. Here 10, 9, 9, 9, 9. That's it. Answer is, you have to write 2 as it is. 10 minus 3, 7. After devinculation, you have to remove bar. Remember that. If you do vinculation, you have to put bar. If you do devinculation, you have to remove bar. Next, 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2, 7 again. 9 minus 3, 6 again. Here, second step is taking predecessor. Only in vinculation part only we take successor. In remaining 2 processes, in devinculation and subtraction, we take predecessor. 27 predecessor is 26. Is it clear? If it is clear, vinculate this number, or else do this example, subtraction. Do this subtraction. If you complete it, you can reply answer. If you complete it, you can yes. Let me check this. 5 minus 7 bar 2, 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 2 0, and 4 minus 7 bar 3, 3 minus 8 bar 5, 7 minus 5. How much? Don't get confused. So let me check this. 5 minus. Now you have to devinculated this. Bar breaks due to two zeros. Okay. Here remember, bar breaks here. Bar break due to these zeros. So apply all from 9, last from 10. We have to apply only. Yes, you have to apply last from 10 only. We have only one digit here. So 10 minus 2, 8. And after completion of this, yes, yes, many of you got correct answer. Okay. Yes. Okay. 5 minus 7, devinculation 10 minus 2, 8. In devinculation we take, what we take? Predecessor, right? Okay, okay. Bar breaks to zeros, right? You have to put zero bar on zeros. You have to continue. Your bar breaks due to two zeros. Even in two zeros, you have to put bar and continue this vinculation. 9, 9, 9, 9 on 3. Every digit you have to subtract from 9 except last one. Last one you have to subtract from 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. Here you have to take predecessor of 2, that is 1. So if you have doubt whether it is correct or wrong, you can add this answer and subtrahend, or in you have digital root method also. Okay, just check this answer and give reply. Yes, this is the method. If you find zeros, bar break due to zeros, we have two zeros here, long break, not just one zero, we have two zeros. If you find two zeros, you can write, you can put bar on zeros, you can continue this devinculation process. If in case, if you find bar on due to non-zero, there is example. Let's take an example here. So this is an example. So 8 minus 9 bar 1, 5 minus 6 again bar 1, 4 minus 4, okay, you can write right to here. That would be best example. So 8 minus 9 bar 1, 5 minus 6 bar 1, 4 minus 2 2. Remember, don't get confused. 3 minus 8 bar 5, 6 minus 7 again bar 1, 7 minus 3, this is 4. So here bar breaks due to non-zero. Non-zero means non-zero digits means except we have 10 digits 0 to 9. Okay. So non-zero, 0 means 0 is one side, remaining digits 1 to 9 digits other side. This is 0 digit. These are 9 non-zero digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 to 9 digits are non-zero digits. Non-zero digits. Okay. So if you find any bar break, any break due to non-zero, that means any number, any digits from 1 to 9. So in this case, you have to do this devinculation process in parts. So bar breaks because of 2, you have to separate, you have to do devinculation in 2 parts. So now you have to do all from 9 last from 10 for this part, and all from 9 last from 10 for this part separately. You have to do devinculation in parts. 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 1 8. Again you have to take predecessor of 2. Here also 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 1 8, and 3 4, predecessor of 4 is 3. This is the answer. Okay, did you understand? Yes, you are right, Sai Baba. Good. Fine. So this is the concept of devinculation. With this tiny things, I mean tiny concept, the devinculation concept is over. So now onwards you need not borrow from numbers. You can completely remove borrowing concept. You can do any subtraction. For example, do this subtraction and tell me the answer. Do this subtraction and tell me the answer. So 3 minus 8 bar 5, 8 minus 9 bar 1, 5 minus 9 bar 4, 1 minus 0 1. Remember, ప్రతి దానికి బార్ పెట్టేయొద్దు. 1 minus 0 means 1. 0 minus 8 bar 8, 0 minus 9 bar 9, 7 minus 2 5. So we got vinculated format. We have to devinculate this to get the answer. So all from 9 last from 10, but bar breaks due to non-zero. So you have to separate into 2 parts, all from 9 last from 10. So remember 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 4 5. Predecessor of 1 0. 1 కన్నా ముందు ఏముంటుంది 0. Predecessor of 1 is 0. And here restart devinculation process. So 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 9 0. Again predecessor of 5 is 4. 4 0 2 0 5 8 5. Yes, Sai Baba, you're right. So this is the method. Without borrowing concept, you can do any subtractions easily. If you have any doubt, you can check your answers like this, or digital route, using digital route. Fine. Now there are many concepts based on this devinculation and vinculation. You can, yes, Darshit, correct answer. Yes, Ponam Das, right. Okay. Now there is a concept making tables using vinculation and devinculation. I will explain one by one. Listen carefully. Okay. Tables using vinculation concept. Now if you want to make any table, first I have told you the structure of the table. For example, if you want to make '97 table, so how do you do generally? If you don't know the, of course it is highly impossible to by heart this 97 table. Okay, if you want to make 97 table, you add like this: 97 plus 97, 180 plus 14. Yes, '97 3s are 97 plus 97 plus 97, or 194 plus 97. Already we just added two 97s already. We got 194. If you add again 197 to 194, you will get the answer. Like this you make tables if you don't know the table, right? Do you know this process? This is the structure of the tables. Did you understand? So based on this rule, we cannot add this 97 table. By adding 97 you will get the answer, but we cannot do this till 97 20s or 97 even 10s. It is difficult adding every time, adding every every time, adding 97 every time. Okay, that is difficult. So this is a 97 is a number which is having higher digits, right? So if you convert this into lower digits, handling of lower digits are very easy comparatively with handling higher digits. Okay, see, if you convert this 97, that means 9 and 7 into smaller digits, the adding is adding like this, addition of 97 becomes easy. That is the reason we use this vinculation process. I have told you earlier why we use vinculation or devinculation. Vinculation is the process converting higher digits into lower digits to simplify our calculations. Okay, so devinculate 97, what will you get, everyone? If you devinculate 97, you will get devinculated, vinculate 97. So all from 9, last from 10. So did you remember 10 minus 7 bar 3, 9 minus 9 0. So after first step you have to take successor in vinculation. Remember, successor in vinculation, predecessor in devinculation and subtraction. Remember that, should not forget. So this is the vinculated form of 97. This is the vinculated form of 97. Now 97 table becomes very easy. 97 ones are 97. Of course you have to write it as it is, but 97 twos are, you need not add 97 and 97, but add this 103, but 10 bar 3. That means 7 minus 3, how much? If you add, you have to add here also, add these two, 7 and minus 3. Adding, see, I have told you, adding one positive number, one negative number, that becomes subtraction. In earlier classes I have explained, adding one positive number and one negative number, adding these one positive number, one negative number, that becomes subtraction, isn't it? Here also add 97 plus 10 bar 3, 7 bar 3. If you add both of them, you will get 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 4, remaining 9 plus 0 9 and 1. So like this is the answer for 97 twos are. Now 97 threes are. Just compare both processes, you will get easy answer here. So every time add these two, you will get 97 threes are. 4 minus 3 1, 9 plus 0 9, 1 plus 1 2. Next, add again 10 bar 3. See, here we are adding 97 only, but we are adding in vinculated form. That is the magic here. If you add vinculated form, you feel easy than adding 97 every time. See, you got 291 and 97 threes are 291. Now you add again vinculated form of 97 here. Here 1 minus 3 bar 2. Remember, 1 minus 3, you are adding 1 plus minus 3. See, both are same, 1 plus minus 3. That becomes adding one positive number, one negative number, that becomes subtraction. 1 minus 3, are you getting? If you add one positive number, one negative number, when you are adding one positive number, one negative number, that becomes subtraction. So 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. In Vedic maths we call it as bar 2. So 1 minus 3 bar 2. 9, actually this is 1 plus 3, this is also addition. So 1 plus minus 3, that becomes 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means minus 2. We call it as bar 2. 9 plus 0 again 9. 2 plus 1 3. Here you have to devinculated this to get actual answer. We have only one digit with bar. Subtract last from 10. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 8. So in devinculated we are here we are doing devinculated to get the actual number. See, if you find bar, that means that is in vinculated format. You have to devinculate to get the actual answer of 97 fours are. So we have only one digit here. Apply last from 10. Okay. So last from 10 means 10 minus 2 8. So in devinculation process you have to take successor or predecessor. Which one? Don't get confused. In devinculation you have to take predecessor. Predecessor of 39 is 38. Remaining number 39 here. So did you understand, everyone? Yes. Darshit, Sai Baba. Next. 97 fives are. Do it, everyone. You have to add 310 bar 3 to 388. This is very easy. 8 minus 3 5. 8 plus 0 8. 3 plus 1 4. Simple. Isn't it simple? Again add 10 bar 3. Every time you have to add 10 bar 3 instead of 97, because 10 bar 3 is vinculated form of 97. If you have doubt anyone, kindly give reply in the live chat. So now you have to add 10 bar 3 to 485 to get the answer for 97 sixer. So 5 minus 3 2, 8 plus 0 8, 4 plus 1 5. See, here you are adding, don't forget that you are adding. But when you are adding one positive number and one negative number, that becomes subtraction. Addition of 8 and minus 3, that becomes 8 minus 3. Here also addition of 5 minus 3, that becomes 5 minus 3 2. So 97 6 are 587. So you are converting 97, which is having two higher digits, we are converted into lower digit 103. I mean bar 3. So if you adding bar 3, 10 bar 3 is very easy than adding 97. Am I correct or wrong? Which one is easy, adding 97 or adding 10 bar 3? Now tell me. If you want to find out 97 9. Okay. You can add 10 bar 3 again. 2 minus 3. Here you will get bar 1. 8 6. Here we got vinculated format answer. To convert this, you have to devinculate. To convert into normal number, you have to devinculate that. To devinculate that, we have only one digit with bar, last from 10. 10 minus 1 9. Now in devinculation you have to take predecessor. So this would be the answer. Did you understand, everyone? If you understand this concept, try. (876) table, very easy. You have to viniclate this, convert into viniclated format. All from 9, last from 10. (10 minus 6 bar 4), 9 minus 7 bar 2, 9 minus 8 bar 1, and assume there is a 0 before 8. So take successor of 0 is 1. So viniculated form of 876 is 1 bar 1 bar 2 bar 4. Now you can use this addition method. You know what is the structure of the table. So you have to add every time 876 usually, but adding 1 bar 1 bar 2 bar 4 is very easy than adding 876. Instead of adding 876, add 1 bar 1 bar 2 bar 4. Okay. Double 76. You forgot 1 bar. See, 876 viniclation part enduko confuse ayyaru. You should not forget processes. First step is same for every method. All from 9, subtract all from 9, last from 10. Viniclation part you have to take successor, and deviniclation part you have to take predecessor. So I have explained everything. Viniclation part, if you find all higher digits, see like this 876, so assume there is a 0 before this number and take successor of 0. Successor of 0 is 1. Simple. So viniculated form of 876, 1 bar 1 bar 2 bar 4. What is 752? I think you are doing this one, I think. No, even that one. What is 752? I'm not getting. So you can continue 876 table. For tomorrow, complete this 876 you can do now. Can you do 876 table right now? 876 ones are 876. This is very easy. Comparatively, it's look like fun, in fact. So first you have to convert 876 in viniculated format, that is all from 9, last from 10, that is 1 bar 1 bar 2 bar 4. 1 bar 1 bar 2 bar 4 is the 1 bar 1 bar 2 bar 4. So remember, you should not forget these processes. Let's try this table. 876 ones are 876, 876 twos are. So add instead of 876. Generally we add 876 plus 876. But instead of adding this, add 876 plus 1 bar 1 bar 2 bar 4. Very easy. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 1, 7. 1. That's it. So this answer is 1752. 876 threes are. Again add this 1 bar 1 bar 2 bar 4. So tell me the answer. 876 threes are. Yes, Ananya Tripathi, multiples of 876. Tell me this answer. 876 threes are. Should not do multiplication. Use this devinculation and vinculation process. Continue till 876 tens are. Complete this. See, 2 minus 4 bar 2, 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 1 6, 1 plus 1 2. Here we are, don't forget, here we are adding, but when you are adding one positive number, one negative number, that becomes subtraction. 2 minus 4 bar 2. Here we got one bar on one digit, so it is in vinculated form. Devinculated this to get actual number. So only we have only one digit with bar. Apply all from 9 last from 10, but we have only one digit last from 10. 10 minus 2 8. So in devinculation we have to take predecessor. 263 predecessor is 262. 2628. Yes, everyone getting wrong answers. When you are adding 5 and minus 2, remember 5 plus bar 2 means minus 2. When you are adding one positive number on one negative number, that becomes subtraction, or plus into minus minus. You can do in that way also. Did you understand, everyone? Don't worry, making mistakes is not a bad thing. Do mistakes, correct them. So you are so special, my dear children, because you are paying interest. Nearly these people every day nearly 25 undevaru. You guys are very awesome, very great, really. I am really proud of you. You are paying attention and taking these classes, and you want to gain some knowledge from me. I am very happy. Utilizing this opportunity makes you good in your future. Okay, that's for sure. Two 2826 1752. What is 1752, Poonam Das? Okay, 2628. So 2628, instead of adding 876, you are adding 1 bar 2 bar 4. That's it. Okay, complete this till 10. If you cannot continue, you can make a call to this number. I will explain. Don't worry. I am here to help you. You can message me or you can make a call. Okay? If you have doubts, you can make a call to this number. So for tomorrow, I will give homework in the WhatsApp channel. So everyone join WhatsApp channel to get worksheets and every homework on each topic. So that's it for today. You have learned very important things, devinculation and this making tables using vinculation and devinculation. Okay, so complete this till tens, 876 tensor, and one thing is complete it and send a pic to this WhatsApp number. I will wait for your pic. Let's see how many students are interested and to complete homework, and ఎంతమంది ఇంత ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉన్నారో చూద్దాం. సో ఇది 876 టెన్స్ వరకు కంప్లీట్ చేసి నాకు ది వాట్సాప్లో దీనికి పిక్ పెట్టండి. ఓకేనా? అండ్ ప్రాసెస్ కూడా పెట్టండి. మీరు మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసి పెట్టేస్తారు, కానీ ఇదే ఈజీ. ఈ ప్రాసెస్ కూడా కావాలి, ప్రాసెస్తో కలిపి పెట్టండి. 2 పిక్స్ మేబీ. ఓకే, దాట్స్ ఇట్ ఫర్ టుడే. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ డౌట్స్ మేక్ ఏ కాల్ టు దిస్ నెంబర్. అండ్ ఇది టెన్స్ వరకు కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఈ నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ పెట్టండి. ఓకే, వీ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ న్యూ కాన్సెప్ట్ టుమారో. ఓకే, బాయ్ బాయ్ ఫర్ టుడే.